Your portfolio will show you a list of your holdings, while your statement will display all cash movements, including dividend payments. To view them on Charles Stanley Direct, simply log in. You'll be able to see the value of all your holdings in cash on your main My Accounts page at the top left under Combined Portfolio. There are further options under View Breakdown that allow you to see the separate value of your holdings in cash or the overall value of each of your accounts. This is just the headline view though. To see your portfolio in detail, go to Portfolio under the My Holdings tile. There you will see a list of all your holdings. The prices of your UK shares should be live during market hours and will therefore stream through. After 4:30 p.m. when the market closes, they will show the closing price. The prices for overseas shares have a 15-minute delay during the trading day, while the fund prices should ordinarily reflect the last trading price. This page is configurable, so you can choose the columns that are most useful to you. Click Manage Columns to the left above your portfolio. Then move all the columns that you want to see to your active columns on the right, while move the ones you don't want to the available columns on the left. You can also change the order of columns by using the little arrows on the right of active columns. Then apply changes below to save your choices. You'll see two little arrows on many of the column headings. Clicking on these headings will change the order of what you see, either alphabetically or by value. You also have the option to download your portfolio into a PDF document or into Excel. Finally, you'll see an Actions column to the far right, which you can use to move to the trading pages should you wish to sell or buy more of your holding. You can find your statement under the Statement link under the View Transactions tile on your main My Account page. To change what you see, click on the Show Filter button to the right. You can then select the date range you wish to view. You also have the option to view your capital or income statement. The capital statement will show, for example, all money that you have paid in or out of your account, while the income statement will show dividends and any interest earned. You can further choose the number of rows that appear on this page. 20 is the default, but you can select 10, 50, 100 or all. Then click Apply Pagination. Clicking Date on the left-hand column will change the view so that it shows you either the oldest or the most recent entries. Finally, you have the option to download your statement into Excel near the bottom of the page. If you ever need assistance with understanding your statement or portfolio, please drop the help desk a secure message with your query.